Hey guys, welcome to Erides channel. My name is Oleg, and today I have opportunity to introduce you the safety product from Lumos. It's a helmet and few other like accessories they include for me, but we're gonna go over all this later in this video. So the Lumos have different kind of helmets. I review one in the past as well. This one is a Nyxel model. It comes in different colors and also have a front headlight and also tail light. The tail light can be activated as a automatic braking as well. I will show you in the video as well. So it's a smart helmet which have a lot of kind of features which traditional helmet will not have. So it will provide you safer riding environment and also visibility. So let's open up and see how this helmet looks and what accessories I got. And again, if you find interested in this helmet, you can purchase it in a link in description with additional extra discount I will have. So not only you're gonna save some money, but also support my channel. So let's open up. So I'm gonna put this aside for now, and let's open the helmet and see actually how it looks on me, because it's not only safe but also it should be stylish. So here's the helmet with few items inside. The box is empty now. Put it here. So you're gonna find over here charging cable, looks like, and also turn signals, remote. Okay, so you can attach to handlebar. Okay, so if you want, you can use this to turn signals, or you can use your app as well, so you don't have to attach it to the handlebar if you use your phone. Okay, so let's open the helmet and see how the helmet actually looks. So it's well packed because it is like luxury, but at the same time provide safety. So here's a helmet. It looks great. They do comes in different colors, so you want to check link in description. They have a different, not only colors, but different themes, so you may choose the one you like to your style as well. I like black color usually, kind of steel color. This one is matte black, and it does come with the MIPS. The MIPS is something inside will move in case of the crash, and that will protect basically your brain, will have less injuries to the brain. That's something most advanced helmets would use. So it's a kind of extra layer of protection in case of injury, and it protects your brain, basically give you less injuries. Over here also is the tag, which I'm gonna remove it. Okay, actually you need just completely rip it off. Let's see how much this helmet weighs, because it feels very, very light. And this helmet weighs only 430 grams, I guess include everything. I got large size that do comes in small and medium. So large size can fit someone who is 58 to 63 centimeters, and I believe I'm like 59. And this helmet also have a certification as a CPSC, so it's safer and tested. So let's see what else it has. There's a serial number inside. So let's test it out to see how it will look on me. So it feels a little bit too light for me, I guess. But on the back, there is a knob where you can adjust it, and now it feels perfect. So it basically can fit larger, or you can use actually something underneath if you need during the cold weather. So this is a helmet. What do you guys think? It actually feels pretty good on the head, pretty light feeling. I actually didn't adjust much, it just right out of the box. But let's take a look closer. So here's a close-up look. So it does come, you just turn on this button, it will turn on, and it comes like, as you can see, like brake light in red, and you can change the colors in the app. I'll show you in a minute as well. So inside it's kind of usually use black, well, yellow color MIPS. This one is black, which is kind of nice for me because it's kind of steel color, because yellow, most of the other brand use yellow. This one is black, so it's cool. It also have a ionic antibacterial lining. It's washable, so it will less bacteria, so it will not really smell bad. Usually when you sweat, after a few times they might smell bad, so this one have ionic antibacterial protection as well. And over here looks like you can charge it, okay, right there. And also it can be replaced, so it comes with a replaceable battery as well. And it feels very good and light. So it is a very light helmet. The ventilation only from the top. I'm not sure how well it will be during the summer. Today it's about 65 degrees, maybe 70 gonna be. We're gonna ride it and see if the ventilation inside I can feel or not. As I mentioned earlier, I also received the Lumens Firefly, which helps as more visibility. So it comes like two pieces, and you can change the color as well. So they're kind of white, and they're removable, pretty simple, just like that. And you can charge them. You can charge them with USB port, looks like. And they did send me a product which is like charging candle, so you basically can place on it and charge wirelessly when needed. So let's see what else inside. So there's kind of different mounting. You can attach them different way in some strap. So I'm gonna try to install them on my bike, and you can install it basically to any bicycle or scooter. If you have like sitting scooter, under the seat most likely, with this special mounting kit. So this one you will attach under the seat. So it should be pretty simple. And then you can attach to the sides these two lights. And it comes with all the tools needed. Feels pretty solid. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So I have my phone sync with all the devices. This one is original remote. It's a light version. This one is kind of more upgraded, I guess. I got it before from from Lumos, but it's from another helmet I have. And for some reason I couldn't do the Firefly turn signals, so I had to use this remote. And you can also use this on the phone. As you can see, I'm gonna have the phone on the right side, so you can make the turn signals or right signals through the app. But since I have this kind of remote, it's allowing me to do that. And let me show you. I'll also show you that you can see I changed to the green color on the front. You can basically going inside the settings just like that and make changes to different blinking pattern, like whichever way you prefer. Also, you can go through sounds, how you want the sounds, automatic braking, and there's color. You can choose different color as well, and then you just need to push the button. Okay, push, and it will change to purple. Whichever color you decide, you can do always the same color or different visibility as well. So it's completely custom and makes a totally different experience as experience safety running. So let's go back. I changed to purple now. But to sync, it's pretty simple actually. You're gonna see on the top all the devices you already connected, and then you can move it basically. So I move it to the rear, and I can control it with a simple turn signal. It's gonna be, as you can see, we turn to the left from both sides. So it's high visibility. All right. At the same time, I can use this one on my handlebar. I'm gonna turn right or left. So if I break both of them, will flash. Okay, so brake light will activate it. We're gonna test it out now while I'm riding. So let's go attach it to the handlebar and go for a ride. Today in the video I'm gonna ride the King Bull Light Rider, the foldable electric bicycle, which I prefer for comfortability. And I already charged the two Firefly and also the Helmet. I charged them wirelessly, very easy and quick as well. So you basically just, and I attach the mounting under the seat, so it can be attached basically to any seat, and you just put it like this. It's on a magnet, stay very strong, and you just push this one, put as well, just like that. You would push each one, the button, just like that. They will turn on. You will blink for a little bit, and you can see already on the bright sun, they are very bright. And here's the helmet. So helmet have on the front is a little bit like violet color and red on the back. You can change any color I said before on the front in the user manual, like in the app actually. And over here I attach this controller. So when you push, let's say left, you will beep, and you can adjust the beep and will go right. Basically I make mistake since I need to change position, left and right. Okay, let's test it out to the right. Works good now. So once you finish riding, you don't have to switch off each of them. You basically just turn off the helmet, just pushing the button, and it'll turn off all of the sync devices you attached. You can attach actually a few. You can actually buy more of the Firefly and attach to the front and any way you want to. And you're gonna connect them, and you can have a bill at least as 4 or probably even 6 Fireflies attached to one device like helmet. Okay, and the feature of this helmet actually not only visibility, but also in case of emergency, if you fall or crash, they will send emergency signal. This built-in GPS or whatever, it will send an emergency system through the app, the one you will program, and it will send the emergency to contact you're gonna list there. So that's another great feature comes with the helmet. And over here is an app to adjust the size as well. So it's pretty good looking and also comfortable. And okay, let's talk later. Well, all right, so enough talking. So let's go for a ride and see how the helmet actually on the road, how the brake light works, and turn signals as well. Let's go. I like to wear this Nyxel helmet because it feels like very natural. You don't really feel it on your head, and so far looks like it's not hot under, and also not really cold. So kind of some ventilations, the air going through. But let's check the rear lights and turn signals. As I'm gonna switch and see if it works. Yep, I can see turn signal left, right. Looks like it works just fine. So let's go for more right. And this helmet actually not only gonna save your life, but also brings a lot of style in it. I got like basically black color, but you can pick different colors, and that will reflect your style as well. As you can see, the front light can be different colors. Whichever color you love, you can select it, and looks good. It is mixed like more like e-motor helmet, but actually it's a bicycle helmet. But it is like slick design. Looks really cool, I think, on me. But what do you guys think? Which color would you pick? And again, this helmet is not simply to save your life, but also bring some style. And I like the way they sync the lights like fireflies. So you can sync them up and you can see the turn signals work just fine to the left. So you get extra kind of visual when you're riding daytime or night. And now it's time to test it out how this helmet works at night. As you can see, it's already after sunset, getting darker, and the visibility actually excellent. I'm gonna ride on this bike again on a King Bull Light Rider, and to see, as you can see, The helmet and extra the Fireflies give you extra light, which is excellent. The turn signals you can see works, and you can see them from far away. I believe they are good up to 1,000 feet. And the front light turn signals excellent. You can see from every angle, and I'm gonna just ride and show you how the turn signals works, visibility as it's getting darker and darker. Again, this is one of the best helmet with a light up and also the options to connect these Fireflies, so you can attach them on the front, on the rear, on the side. They're available like up to 6 pieces you can buy, and attach sync them to your helmet, so they will all work together. So when you make a turn left or right, they will get activated. And again, there's never enough of light when you're riding at night. You can see the turn signals really give you good visibility. I have a lot of electric bicycle which comes with turn signals, but they don't get as good visibility at night. Usually they're smaller, they're just blinking, and usually you cannot really see them. This one you can see from far away. Also, they're making some beeps while you're riding, which is excellent. Just to let you know, they are active as well. So it's basically win-win situation. Not only you get visibility, you get good protection, and actually it makes the ride more fun. I will have a link in description, so if you're interested to buy one of the product with extra discount, please check the code. You can also scan this QR code on the screen and buy one for yourself or as a gift. I think it's a great gift idea for someone for Christmas, as Black Friday is coming. They may have extra sales, so you may want to check the link again in description. The turn signals works excellent, easy to push the button as you can see, and it just perfectly working, never actually fail. I tested whole day actually, and it worked just fine. It can be integrated to any bicycles you ride, electric, non-electric. It will work excellent as well because they are independently charged and can be attached basically to any electric bicycle or regular bicycle, road bicycle, or even different kind of transportation. They're also great for group rides if you like to ride because they add up extra light. You can change the front light, as I said before, different colors. I have purple. You can do any color you want. Let's take a look how far it will work. So I'm gonna walk away. This front actually very light at night, and I'm gonna keep walking away pretty far, so to see how far you can see it. Probably 50 feet, maybe further now. Wow. And you can still see it. Wow, check this out. It's still working fine. You can still see the bike, and also it will show you turn signals at night, which very good safety feature. Check this out, how far I am. Probably 100 feet, even more. You can go, I think, 1,000 feet away, and you still will be able to see it pretty good. And now I'm just walking away. When I make turn signals, you can still see it on camera, but you can definitely see somebody making turns. Usually when you buy electric bicycle, all these turn signals are like just a toy. You cannot really see it from the distance much. This one, you can walk away, it will still show you. So another proof that this one will give you much better choice. So if you have electric bicycle with the turn signals, Lumos will help you even better. Again, extra light, always good when you're riding at night, and it's just also making beeps. How bright is this? So again, just proven that it works good. Let's go from this side. Also, people can see you're making turn